Good morning, everyone. My name is Sudipta Dutta. Today, I am going to present my topic on historical development of science as a discipline and Indian contribution to scientific knowledge. In this presentation, I will explain how science started, how it slowly developed into a proper subject, and how India contributed to scientific knowledge. So, first, let us understand what science actually means. Science means gaining knowledge about nature in a systematic and organized way. It is based on observation, experiment, and reasoning, not on blind belief. Science is not only a subject in our books, it is a way of thinking. It teaches us to ask questions, think logically, and find answer with proof. Now, let us how science began in early times. In ancient times, science started from daily needs like farming, counting, and knowing seasons. People observed the sun, moon, and stars to understand nature. Civilizations like ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia developed early mathematics and astronomy. At that time, science was connected with religion and philosophy. After this early stage, Greek thinkers made science more logical and systematic. They explains natural events with logical instead of myth. Like Aristotle. Aristotle studied plants and animals and classified them. Archimedes worked in mathematics and physics. During this time, science became more organized. Now let us move to next period where science developed again strongly. During the Middle Ages, scientific progress became slow in Europe. But in Renaissance period, science developed again. Like Galileo Galilei supported experiments and observation. Isaac Newton gave the laws of motion and gravity. Their work changed the direction of science. From here, science entered the modern age. In modern times, science became a separate and independent discipline. Branches like physics, chemistry, biology are developed. Laboratories and research centers are established. Today, we are living in the age of science. From mobile phones to hospitals, from transport to space travel, science is everywhere. Without science, modern life is not possible. Now, let us see India's contribution in this topic. India has a rich scientific history. Like Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta worked in mathematics and astronomy and explained the rotation of Earth. Charaka, we all know, contributes to medicine. Next, Sushruta is known as the father of surgery. We should feel proud of our ancient. Their knowledge was practical and useful for society. Now let us focus on Indian mathematics. India gave the concept of zero and the decimal system, which changed mathematics completely. Brahmagupta worked on algebra and number system. Ancient Indians also studied plants and eclipse carefully. The Indian knowledge later spread to many parts of the world. Now let us move to modern Indian scientists. In modern times also, India has produced great scientists like C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman discovered the Raman effect and won the Nobel Prizes. Jagadish Chandra Bose worked on plant science and radio waves. APJ Abdul Kalam contributes to space and missile technology. Modern Indian scientists have shown that India is progressing day by day in science and technology. Finally, I would like to conclude. To conclude, science has developed slowly from ancient times to modern age. It changes from simple observation to a systematic discipline. India has played an important role in development of scientific knowledge. As future teachers, it is responsibility to develop scientific attitude among students. Science is just not a knowledge, it is the power that shapes our future and develops our nation. Thank you.